Hello, hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to show you guys really quickly something that is really important when it comes to follow up from your ads. So what I'm going to show you today is how to hook up your CRM to Facebook in order to make sure that your leads that you're getting from a Facebook lead form goes right into your CRM. Now, every CRM is not included in this. There's only certain integrations that have it, but hopefully yours does. So let me show you that really quickly. You are going to go over to your Facebook page, so your business page, and this is how you're going to be able to integrate those. Now, this is the new look of the Facebook interface. If you are in Classic, it's the same way, except the publishing tools will be at the top. So right here, you'll see publishing tools. You can just click on that. And that will take you to your publishing tools center. Obviously, it's very intuitive. And so there's information here. If you scroll down on the side here, you'll see lead forms. Then you'll want to click leads setup. And then from here, you can search your CRM. So let's say I'm with Salesforce. So here you go. You can click on Salesforce here and integrate connect from website. And then you'll see the steps. It'll say find your CRM, connect your CRM, and then manage your leads. So this will really be a great way to integrate your CRM and integrate your tools. So again, Facebook doesn't do this automatically. You do not automatically get your leads sent to you via email or any other way. So the only way to do it, there's a couple ways to do it. One is to do it this way, set up through your CRM. If your CRM is not listed or you don't have a CRM, you can connect it through a program called Zapier, and Zapier, and that will you're able to connect it to your email, so like your Gmail or whatever the case may be, so you can make sure that you're getting those leads. If not, if you do not connect the systems, you're going to have to do this individual or go into Facebook and pull it from there. So this makes it really simple. So if you're on the go, if you're out and about moving and you aren't able to just get to your leads fast, this is a great way to connect them and make sure that you're following up and connecting the leads via these connections. All right, I hope you found that helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know and I will be happy to help you. Thanks.